All right, guys, we are going to talk about today's markets. Don't worry about these lines here. I am going to erase them right now and not confuse you guys because I don't want you guys to get confused at all. So right now, what I'm looking at right now is CTIB. Okay, CTIB is a stock that I was looking at pre-market, talking to members and showing them what we are looking at. Okay, so first, let me show you my Discord. Talk to you guys about what we're looking at. Part of the watch list, CTIB, gapping up on strange pre-market volume action. Okay, watching for $2.80 to hold as support on any pullback, and then look for a push to test $3.45. Okay, and then look here, CTIB. Trade line is trying to catch up with the stock. Very good, holding support right here at this 346 level. Now check it out though. Okay, we are going to draw our fibs right here from the very bottom to the very top. Okay, from the very bottom to the very top, which is right here at this $1.70 on that daily chart, and then on the 5-minute chart. This is my 5-minute chart on my left screen. On my right screen, this is the daily chart. So we're looking at it per day. This is per 5 minutes. Okay. For anyone that doesn't know, this CTIB, give me just a second here. Getting some messages from our Discord chat. I'm going to disregard that for right now. God. Hold on. Okay. All right. Sorry, guys. Today we are talking about in our chat room about how Jerome Powell, when he speaks, coming here at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're finding out what Jerome Powell says about stimulus, and we're waiting. So if we get news on stimulus, we could see that the markets drive even higher. Okay, that is going to be the catalyst for anything for the SPY. Okay, right now we're in a downtrend on the SPY. Okay, and we're looking here to see if the SPY can bounce back from its gap down, because today it's at it gapped down all the way down to 380 level. It bounced off of that zone. So we're just looking to see if we can bounce back up and maybe back to these regular levels at 390, hopefully, when Jerome Powell speaks, if he comes out with any stimmy news. If he doesn't, then we could see the markets go even lower. SPY is pretty much the overall ETF on the sorry guys, I don't know why he's calling me right now. SPY is the overall ETF for all of the 500 companies that make the stock market. Okay, so the S&P 500, as you probably heard about, the S&P 500 is pretty much the SPY. So the SPY is basically Apple, we got Tesla, we got all those big companies coming out, right? And so now with the SPY, okay, anytime it goes down, the overall markets go down. So you see Apple, you see Tesla going down. So just keep that in mind. It's an ETF, okay? Now, what I was looking at is CTIB, one small cap, and it's a Chinese stock, but it's holding that 23.6 fib right now as we speak. This CTIB is a small cap right now that we are looking at, and we're trying to see if we can get a trade line VWAP crossover. So this trade line needs to cross over VWAP with the CTIB, and then maybe we can push to test that high, that resistance level, holding that 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which is a support level, and VWAP. If it holds this VWAP, we're going to get in right now. If we don't hold VWAP and we don't hold that trade line, then this stock can be out of play. Now, what I'm looking is for this stock right now, during the market hours, I'm looking for the trade line to catch up with the VWAP. If we catch up and we bounce around this zone and we're staying within the support level, we're going to break the high of the day with volume coming in, of course. Okay, so that's the key. Key is volume. Okay, we need volume in order to have a new high of the day for CTIB. Okay, all right, guys. So we had a couple on watch right now on our watch list. I was going over with members this morning, and I want you guys to check this out. These are all our live members trading live on the screen. We got a technical analysis trader. We got everything. We got the whole package on this Discord, guys. It's free right now. So if you guys are interested, you guys can always join with the description that I'll be, with the link in the description that I'll be attaching soon. Now I'm going to take you to our watch list, our daily watch list that I posted this morning. I talk about CTIB, SNSS, ONCY. These are the main ones that I was looking at. Rita was a good one from yesterday. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to trade this because when you're trying to identify a grade A plus setup, you need to know exactly what you're looking at. So you need to look at your fibs, first of all, for a grade A plus setup. You need to look at VWAP, where VWAP is, and you need to identify where the trade line is heading towards, okay? If it's curling up, the stock is strong. If it's curling down, the stock is weak. Now, in this case right here, on the 5-minute chart, we see that the stock is strong because trade line is curling up. Now, VWAP is holding on the stock right here on any pullback. So around that 377 that you see right now, 376, 375, that is the key area of support with the 23.6 fib because we drew it from the very bottom, okay? From the very bottom, okay? You can see it better on the daily chart, but we drew it from the very bottom right here to the very top, okay? Now, when we drew that, those fibs, look at that. You see how it holds support? That is how you identify a grade A plus setup. Now, I teach every single member this pre-market hours. I teach every single member how to identify a grade A plus setup with increasing volume, okay? My order just filled. Can't show you guys. But now I'm waiting for the stock to break the initial morning high, okay? And then once it breaks the initial morning high, I have a order set for first take profits. My last take profit will be above the initial morning high for a new high of the day, okay? So I have, yep, there it is, 432 is my order just filled right now at 432. Now, if we get a low volume pullback, that is a good sign that the stock is strong, okay? So if it does do a low volume pullback like just right now, nothing too crazy, back to VWAP, we don't want to see that. We want to see a low volume pullback. You want to get into that. You want to still hold because this will break the initial morning high with the low volume pullback and strong volume. Look at that, increasing volume on the way up. That is how you identify a strong stock right there, right there. See that? You guys see that? Volume increasing on the way up, low volume pullback, low consolidation, okay? And then break for initial morning high, and then the trade line VWAP crossover setting up right here, okay, on CTIB. Okay, all right, guys, that is the 5-minute chart. And then took you to the daily, really nice consistent volume here, okay? Okay, so that is how you identify a grade A plus setup for any stock, okay? You wanna make sure that all your indicators line up. When we can't determine where the direction of the stock is heading, we use the MACD, we use RSI, and we use ADL. Look at that, guys. Look what I just said. High of the day, $4.57, $4.60. My order just filled right now as we spoke. for the second take profit. And then on the last piece of profit that I'll be taking, I will be holding it to see if we can break previous highs on the daily chart, because right now we are at 450, 460, 460. Yep, there you go. That's my my little notification that my order filled. Okay. And then, yeah, 460 on that daily chart, guys. So this is easy money, guys. Like, honestly, if you know how to identify a grade A plus setup, and if you're a sniper, then yeah, my order just filled at 470 level for my last take profit. So this is what I want to talk to you guys about. Okay. In this market environment, you need to learn how to become a sniper. Okay. In this market, you need to learn how to identify grade A plus setups, and you need to learn how to become patient when there's a pullback. When there's like a market like this, you need to understand that whatever you get into, you need to have a trading plan. You need to know what you're going to get into, why you're getting into it, and how you're going to get into it. Okay. So yeah, guys, if you guys are interested, like I said, I have a free Discord that I'm going to attach to the link in the description. Okay. And then once my website is up and going, I'll have a couple things ready for you guys. I'll have a course ready for new traders, for people who want to learn how to trade. I'm going to have a chat room. I'll have a daily watch list. Yeah, guys. So it's going to be all worth it, guys. And I want you guys to become profitable just like I am in this environment right now. And I know a lot of you want to learn how to do this. And what better way to get it with an education, a professional education. Okay. So if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments. I will post the link in the description. You guys can message me anytime you guys need any help in Discord. I'll reply to every single one of you guys, because, I believe in helping people, because I was in your shoes not too long ago. But I just showed you right now how to identify a grade A plus setup. Okay. That is how you identify a grade A plus setup. Look at that nice small pullback. Okay. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. Okay, guys? Yeah, guys. I'm excited. I'm excited to have you guys on board. I want to change your guys' life. I want to show you guys exactly what I talk about every single day. We have new members every single day. We have a great chat floor of traders. Look at all this. We have charts throughout the day. We have people sharing their screens. We have shout out Breakout King. That's a guy on Discord that has let me administer the page as well. And I'm trying to get you guys on board with him because I think this chat room is really cool, guys. Not just that, I want to show you guys what I know. So, when Club Finesse comes out on the website, I'm going to have everything that I know implemented on that website. Okay. I'm going to have exactly what I learned throughout the years of my trading of 2016 through 2021. And I'm going to have it in course by course, with text, with video, and a daily watch list, a trading chat room, a personal trading chat room. So we're not going to use Discord. We're going to start using a personal trading chat room where you can actually see my screen and we can all chat with each other. And we can post alerts so I can show you guys my trades in real time. So cool stuff, guys. Really cool stuff. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Seriously, if you're someone I don't even talk to, let me know. Be honest. If you guys really want to change your lives, like honestly, do you expect to work for the rest of your life when you can learn a trading skill, a life skill, to make extra income for your family, for your bills, for whatever you need, you guys can learn this today for free, okay? For free. And I'm showing you right now live with a low volume pullback to an extension with some extra volume, okay? Look at that increasing volume, low volume pullback. I'm gonna show you guys everything I know, okay? You guys are going to see exactly what I mean. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't take a genius to learn these lines. It doesn't take a genius to learn what EMAs are. I was a C plus, B plus, whatever, C minus, D student in a lot of criterias in school, in high school. But to become a trader, you don't need no high IQ, okay? Fundamentally, maybe, but technical, you don't. If you know how to read these, you should be fine. It's like reading a book and learning the language, whatever, you know, or learning how to use a social media, you know, whatever it could be. You can compare it to this. The stock market is something that can change your life drastically and quickly. You know, if you are 100% dedicated, a hard worker, and you want what's best for you. Okay. Usually end my trading around 8 o'clock. Right now it's 7:18. But I will try to edit this and show you guys exactly what I am talking about. Okay. All right, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, so that way you guys can keep up with the latest of Club Finesse. I have a lot of things implementing on the website and on this YouTube channel, so make sure you guys take a look at it. Every single video, start learning how to educate yourselves in 2021, because in the next 10 years, a lot of lives are going to change, guys. A lot of lives are going to change for everybody, especially the millennials, which I consider myself because I'm 22, and everybody else in my circle. You know, I think a lot of lives are going to change. You know, it's going to be a weird time. Okay, so okay, guys, like the video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like what I gave you guys today. But yeah, you guys take care now. Peace.